Good morning, viewers. It's our day 3 in Durban. We are heading out for breakfast, and today is the 1st of January 2021. Wishing all the viewers a very happy new year. May this year bring all the relief to everyone that everyone deserves.
Absolutely. Wishing all our viewers a very happy and prosperous new year. This is day 3, as Shatabdi mentioned. We are heading out for breakfast, and if you can see the background, it's been drizzling throughout the night yesterday. There have been some thunderstorms, so we aren't sure as where we are heading out to today. For the fact being that the beaches are closed, we might head out towards Sun Coast Casino. That's one of the large casinos here, but we'll keep you updated shortly. Stay connected. Thanks.
We covered the breakfast in details in our previous video, so there is nothing to take you through in details today. So just showing you a glimpse of what a breakfast is. The usual affair with muffins, yogurt, assorted scones, fresh fruits, freshly squeezed juices, cold cuts, live egg counter, and plenty of accompaniment like chicken sausage, bacon, soya sausages, fish, that is hake, then spinach and mushroom sauce, and you name it, you get it. The spread is so huge. Avi, how was your breakfast experience today?
Very good. Although there was a bit of crowd and we need to wait because there are only 50 people allowed to dine at the same time. Though you have 2 floors. One is the ground floor where they serve buffet, and on the second floor you have a la carte menu. However, the spread is very vast, and I think it's quite a filling breakfast.
What was your favorite?
My favorite always, I go for an omelette, bread.
I'm talking about favorite. You cannot be talking about bread and omelette when it's favorite. Something new which you ate here, which you like. The spinach, the fish.
No, the spinach and fish is very common everywhere. But one thing I like is a soya bean sausage. It's different in taste. I have never heard about a soya sausage. But it's different. I will not say it is superb and tasty, but it's different. That's the unique thing that I like.
After breakfast, we started for the Sun Coast Casino. That's located very close to where we stay. And because it was raining heavily, we thought that Sun Coast Casino would be a good option because it is a closed space and there's no chance of getting drenched. Here's Avi walking till the casino. It's drizzling. The weather is lovely.
I'm sure this would be something like our Monte Casino. The look and the feel and the size of it, I'm sure that both would be at par. However, let's check it out.
It's quite a big place. The Sun Coast Casino is very similar to the Monte Casino with various food joints, apparel stores, theater located inside the casino. The decor is lovely, and you can see around the various food joints you have ATMs and banks as well. And we decided to see what was playing in the theater. Unfortunately, we did not have a movie of our choice, so we did not go for one. This is a very famous Indian restaurant. They have branches in Durban and Johannesburg. I think in Cape Town as well. So Thawa is also there in Monte Casino in Johannesburg. And in Suncoast Casino, this restaurant spans across a very huge area. And you have the kids stores with lovely candies. Just it's good to look at. And it's a quick tour. We just went around the place. We will now quickly move to the next destination. We'll show you some places that you cannot miss when you are in Durban. Stay tuned. So viewers, after the Suncoast Casino, we are heading towards the Victoria Market. That's a very old market in Durban. You can see behind me, it's the Moses Mabhida Stadium. And Suncoast Casino, if you have to compare it with Monte Casino, it is a very small casino. The look and feel is very similar to Monte, but yeah, the place is much smaller than what Monte Casino is. And since we have nowhere else to take you, we are going to take you to the Victoria Market. That's a very old market in Durban. The market is famous for crafts, spices, fish. We are going to take you there.
And viewers, is still drizzling, as you can see.
But the weather is amazing now.
The weather is really amazing. The Suncoast Casino, this is the parking where we are standing and talking to you. And this is how it is. That's right, the entrance. On the right is the Moses Mabhida Stadium. And we're going to drive now to go to the Victoria Market. Stay connected.
We are exiting the Suncoast Casino. It's a lovely morning in Durban today. It's drizzling, the temperature has dropped, and it's an absolute pleasure to drive on these lovely roads. The crowd is little less because today is the 1st of January. People are at home enjoying or partying. And yes, it's lovely. We have entered the Victoria Market. Unfortunately, the market is closed. I was not very happy because when I looked for it in Google, it still showed that the market is open. It's only a few shops that are operating, but the Crawford Meat and Fish Market, which we had targeted, is closed. So unfortunately, again, we have to look for another destination because things did not go as we planned. We really planned to roam around in this very old market in the heart of Durban and show you the place in details, but we need to look for an option now.
Dear viewers, we came to the Crawford Meat and Fish Market.
In the Victoria Market.
In Victoria Market. However, it is closed today because of 1st. It's a holiday. We'll come back again and show you a glimpse tomorrow. It opens at 7. So while on the way back to Joburg, we will take a glimpse of the market.
Viewers, it's raining heavily. Since the Victoria Market is closed, we decided to bring you to the
Umhlanga Lighthouse.
Okay. We just parked and it's drizzling, and now it's not a drizzle anymore. It's raining quite heavily. So we'll just walk down to the place and we'll show you. It is a little tricky to find a parking in Umhlanga Lighthouse. We managed to find a very nearby parking and we are now walking towards the Whalebone Pier. It is a place where you can catch some beautiful sunrises. It's not the right time though for sunrise, but nevertheless, we will show you the lovely place. The sea is lovely, you can see that. You are supposed to come here in the evenings, but because of the new curfew regulation, we did not want to risk the timings because you really need to exit the place by 7 and it's difficult and it's quite far from the hotel. So we decided to do a day tour. We will walk until the jetty, that is the Whalebone Pier, and we will show you the sea from close. It is a lovely walk and it feels lovely to walk in this rain. We are nearing the Whalebone Pier. It is now a matter of few minutes that we can show you the lighthouse as well. There is a detailed information about the Whalebone Pier. And as you see towards the right, you'll see the lighthouse. The tower in red and off-white. That is the lighthouse.
The beaches are closed. You cannot step into the beach. It's been closed from both the sides. So let's have a quick stroll. It's raining heavily now, and just to show the viewers, let me hold it.
Let me hold the umbrella for you.
No, it's fine.
When you have a husband who holds your umbrella as well as the camera, you actually do not need anything in life. Actually, you should really appreciate the good things about your spouse. Doesn't matter if you do it publicly at times. And I'm in cloud 9 because I love the rain and I love to get drenched in the rain. I'm having the best time of my life. Love the rain.
Nice waves crashing on the shore. What a lovely sight. And that is where we park, Beverly Hills.
Umhlanga Lighthouse is one of the most posh location in Durban. Elite people have apartments in this area. There are very expensive hotels around this place because this place has a lovely view. I'm having the best time of my life. I love the rain and Avi's holding the umbrella, but I'm trying to sneak out of it.
And there's a seat behind us. We throw the umbrella out, and that's where we are, on the lighthouse. And there is the Dudley. Lovely. Thanks, dears. We could not show you the Crawford Market. We decided to have a quick tour of the lighthouse. In the evening it gets difficult, so that's why we came here despite the rain. But I am hopeful that you guys will enjoy the view and take care.
So we are in the restaurant in the second floor of the hotel. It has an amazing view of the sea. We decided to have a very light lunch of some sandwiches, salad and cappuccino. And that was all about day 3.